MEDS. 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 MEDS.
All right, good morning, everybody. Okay, the only thing I am in right now, MEDS, bought some MEDS about 5 minutes ago. Also bought into some JDST. Big order right now was MEDS. All right, so I'm in MEDS, bought MEDS at 1580. And let's see, bought JDST at 712. So right here on JDST and on MEDS, that's the big one. MEDS. This was on the watch list this morning. MEDS. MEDS is at 1990. Just a beautiful trade. I'm going to be looking to take some profits up here. All right, out of MEDS, took my profit on MEDS. Want to keep an eye on JDST. All right, we're going to take just a real quick look at some of these indices, see if we have anything going on. Okay, the first thing I want to look at is the mini Russell. Mini Russell. No pattern setting up for the mini Russell, mini NASDAQ. No pattern setting up for the mini NASDAQ. I want to go higher. Look at the E-mini S&P. Let's look at the E-mini S&P. Same thing. Nothing set up yet for the E-mini S&P. May end up getting a buy this morning. We're going to watch that. Gold is actually in a buy. I did not catch the gold. Let's look at gold. Yeah, gold's already triggered a buy, but I do see it. Let's see. I can see gold coming up to 1944. 1944. Natural gas. One more natural gas. Not seeing anything I like on natural gas. And nothing on crude oil. Nothing on crude. All right. I'm going to keep an eye on this JDST. Good morning, Glenn. Good morning, John. All right. So I'm in some JDST already, in and out of MEDS. I sold trade this morning already on MEDS. Nothing on the indices. I don't see anything on gold. Don't see anything on natural gas. Nothing on crude. All right, let's take a look at some others that are on the watch list. FEMY, not liking that. FEMY. PIX. Or PIK. 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 My PIK wants to come down a little bit more. All right, not gonna do anything on PIK. ROOT. T. TNXP. And we're going to keep an eye on TNXP. TNXP may have some opportunities a little bit later. PACW was another one we had on the watch list. I like this a little bit better. PACW. And you got some big selling up here down around 80, 86. Possibly could go through $8. I'm going to stay away from that one for right now. IONQ was another one we had. IONQ. I'm just checking on IONQ, get a little bit more information. Technology stock. IONQ could bounce a little bit in here. I'm gonna put a really small position on IONQ. Let's check the spread. Yes, it's only a penny spread. Good on that. I'm gonna buy a little bit of IONQ. And let's get some upper targets here. I do have several patterns. First one is coming in at 970. Bought it at 61. I see I have a target at 70. Another one at 73. Another one at 78. I think that's it. I don't think I have more. All right. See if we can get it up to 78 here on this IONQ. By the time that we hit 78, maybe we'll get some new patterns setting up. So right now, IONQ, JDST, the only two that I have on. Dow is quiet this morning. Let's see. E-mini. It's down 30. Pretty quiet on the mini Dow. All right, I'm watching IONQ. I am again in JDST, but JDST once again is a slow mover. So I'm in right here at 712. Not too concerned about JDST. Like I said, it does move slow. I don't really expect anything explosive. I may add, let's see here. 712. All right, if I can get this up to, if we can get up to 730, if I can get up to 730, I may add on this JDST. So I'm going to mark 730. And I also want to put an alert up there because if we get up to 730, I may add more long on this JDST. Let's see. Buy entry. That'll be my little alert. Buy entry. IONQ. I have a little bit on IONQ. All right, let's look at a few more stocks here. Let's look at Free, FREE. Like that. I like, what is Free? Whole Earth. Yeah. I like Free. I tell you what, I'm going to put a light position on Free. I have 3 trades on now, so this may be my last one. All right, let's get some targets on Free because I do have some targets up here. So first one is pretty close, 76. All right, I do also have an 82. I have an 82 target on Free, FREE. And I have one way up here, 92. And one more at 85. All right. 3, 4 levels. A lot of buy setting up on FREE. All right. So long FREE, long in JDST.
MADS.
Long an IONQ. Already played MEDS out of MEDS. JDST, looking at that, clicking all right. JDST, a lot of buying down in here. JDST may take off after the opening bell. IONQ. Could see some interest coming in as well on IONQ after the opening bell and FREE. All right, that may be it for right now. I'm just going to hold on to these 3. double check, look and see what our indices are doing.
MADS.
All right, so gold's pulled back a little bit. Gold didn't hit its target, but it did pull back to the entry. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to buy some gold. So let's take a look at gold. All right, buying some gold and do have a target now sitting up here. Once again at 44. 1944. Right. As a reminder, we do now limit this morning show for 30 minutes. So as we get closer to the opening bell, we're gonna go ahead and shut this down, continue on in our live trading room. Don't forget, we're also live in Discord. We are live in Discord for all our members. Make sure you log into Discord, follow us live in Discord. I don't see anything on the indices. I don't think I'm going to get anything on the indices until the opening bell. So that's fine. All right. So we have about another 4 minutes here before the opening bell. Once again, still on an IONQ. Looking good. Entered at the yellow line. Those are my entries. The yellow is my entries. Also on FREE. Just below my entry. And JDST looking good. That's going to be my target up here at JDST. Want to get out around 7:30 or something. JDST is looking good. want to keep an eye on. I think ILNQ is going to be the one that's going to pop here right after the opening. So let's watch IONQ. Also in free, FREE. Let's take a look at free. Free could go as well, but I think we're going to probably do have a little bit more volume in IONQ. All right, so those that are joining us this morning, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that like button. And if you'd like to keep up to date on my latest trading results and any new videos, make sure you also hit that notification bell. If you would like more information on my trading style, which I've been using for the last 40 years, I call it simple because I'm only using a couple different parameters for my entries and targets. It's something that's taken me a long time to develop, but it has been effective for the last 35 years in my trading career, and it does work across the board. So it doesn't matter whether you're a stock trader, maybe you just trade commodities, maybe you're just a crypto trader. You can use anything you want to trade as long as it's a freely traded market. You can find that information on my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. All right, let's see if this thing gets moving here. All right, we're approaching the opening bell, so we're going to shut it down for the free live broadcast. We'll continue on in our live trading room and, of course, our Discord channel. So everybody have a great trading day. Looking forward to this week. Once again, I think it's going to be a nice week for trading. And for those that are joining us live, hopefully we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Y'all take care.